those heights of 16 to 18,000 feet, like it's been said. And it was unique, but not much has been known to public as such. There are books written on it. There are enough literature available. But to make a series like this, I think this is what is going to make it reach a common man. And I'm sure not only just in India but around the world, the entire Indian community, whenever they watch this, they'll going to be very proud of the Indian Air Force and the Indian Defense Forces. Uh, it was also, you know, uh, Kargil War was first time when the planning and execution between Army and Air Force was absolutely together. And yes, we did have some issues with our, not getting intelligence in time, and that's how we land up in this situation. But thereafter, the way it was handled, and when we took a call to bring in the air power into it, I think the way the two forces work together, that was the starting of actual jointmanship in our operations. Uh, I I just wanted to mention one thing that it's been said there also. I think the Noah sir in the movie has said it many times. Up razor blades ho. So what happens is uh, in actual life, what we see is what the front face of the whole thing is. The tip of the spear is what we get to see. We did so well in our Operation Sindhu recently. People who actually worked on the ground, people who actually flew those missions, people who actually planned and executed those things were all 1,70,000 people that we have in the Indian Air Force. But everybody looks at AP Singh and claps and says, oh, this is the person who did that. But this is what happens. So what we see here, this has been said last time by Dhanavas also. This story is about one particular squadron which took part in that operation. But there were many squadrons which took part. And also, there were people who were working behind the scenes in that time. People who were preparing the aircraft, people who were loading those aircraft, people who were doing all the other support services, mobilization, transport aircraft. Helicopters took part in this operation. We have people who have lost their lives. I would like to acknowledge, that Me 17 crash